Welcome to the third tutorial of my scripting playlist. Today, I'm going to teach you about functions. For example, print is a function, but we're going to talk about functions that you can actually create yourself. When you create a function, you say function, space, the function name, and then parentheses. Then you press enter and it will automatically add an end for you. The end is also very important. So inside the function, you put what you want it to do. So if I wanted this say hi function to say hi, then I would do print hi. But your function doesn't actually do anything until you call it. To call a function, you put the function name and then parentheses. So now if I run the code, it says hi. Functions are useful because you can call them more than once. So if I call this function a ton of times and then I run the code, then you can see it prints hi a ton of times. So I have this function called function greet that greets CheeseDev. But let's say I wanted it to greet a different person. Well, inside the parentheses of the greet function, I can add my own variable, and I'm just going to call this one name. So now, if I make the print statement say hi and then the name variable, when I call the function, I can put greet and then a string that says CheeseDev. This will take place of the name variable when we call the function. So on two more lines, I can make it greet Tim and greet Bob, and when I run the code, it will say hi CheeseDev, hi Tim, and hi Bob. Right here is a function that adds two numbers. You can see in the top, I put num1, num2 inside the parentheses. This is how you can have multiple variables for the function. So now, I can do add 3, 6 in the parentheses, and it will print 9. So, now I have this other function here that will add 1 to a number. But instead of making it print number plus 1, I'm going to make it return number plus 1. So down here, if I do local num equals add 1 with 7, this is basically the same as doing local num equals 8. So right here, I can print num, but I can also print num times 10. And this will print out 8 and 80. If you learned something from this video, then stay tuned because I'm going to be dropping another tutorial every day.